Hello everyone. So in this class we are going to learn about long division method by which we are going to find out the square root of any number. If it's bigger, in that case it will be very helpful. Obviously we know that the perfect squares are having a square root and we can find them easily by remembering them, but in case of large numbers this method is very useful. Let's see how to find the square root of the number 8281. Let's start. So first of all we are going to divide, obviously. So first of all we will mark it like this, and then we will mark these numbers from right to left. Okay, pairs we are going to find out. So this is one pair and this is the other pair. Now first, for the first pair here 82, we are going to find out a perfect square number which is either equal to or less than this 82. Okay, so what number we can write here? So we can write 9 nines are 81, correct, because after that 10 square is 100, which is greater than 82, so we cannot write that, so it will be clearly 9. So after writing this we are going to subtract this, so we are going to get 1. Obviously we will check whether this remainder part is less than the number by which we have divided, so that is 9 here. Obviously 1 is less than 9, so that means we are going in a right direction. So after this subtraction, what we will do, we will take down the next pair, that is 81 here, and whatever is written over here, okay, whatever is written over here, that number we are going to take the double of that. So 9 2s are 18 we are going to write here. Now we have to put one number here beside 18 as well as beside 9, so that this whole number, if multiplied by this single number, we will get the exact number whatever is present here or less than that. So here we can see clearly that if we put 1 in both the places, and we multiply 181 by 1, we are going to get 181 exactly. That means they are same, or it may be less than that also. So that means here after subtraction we are not going to get a 0. So that means we have finished the method, and the answer will be, that means the square root of 8281 will be written as 91. Whatever is written here, that will be the number as our answer. Okay, so this is the square root of 8281. Similarly, you can find out the square root of 144. You all know, or some of you may know, that what is the square root of 144. Already you know that, but here to show the method I am going to use this. So first of all I told you from right to left we are going to pair them. So here 44 is getting a pair, but 1 is single, so we will leave it as it is. Now in the beginning we are going to take 1 as the number, so obviously 1 ones are 1 will be the smallest or equal number, okay, smaller or equal number to that. So that means here after subtraction we are getting 0. So after that the paired we are going to take down, and obviously this one we are going to double that and write that here, so that is basically 2. Now if we write 2 over here beside 2 and 2 also here, because same number we have to put, then we multiply this 22 by this 2, what we are going to get? Obviously 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4, so we are getting 44. So that means here also it is finished. So what we can write, that root of 144 is equal to 12, and that will be your answer. And obviously you can see from here that this number, either be it 8281 or be it 144, both of them are perfect squares because their square roots are coming as integers only. Okay, so in that way you can conclude that these are perfect square numbers where we have found out the square roots of them by using the long division method. So thank you. That's it for this class. Bye bye.